Monday, December 18, 2023. Focus. When Joseph woke up from sleep, he did as the angel of the Lord commanded him. He took his wife. While gazing at an image of the Holy Family, we might well wonder as to what place Joseph can have in such exalted company with Jesus, the Son of God, and Mary, the Mother of God. Today's Gospel, which describes the angel's dream message to an unhappy husband contemplating divorce, tells us why we so greatly honor Saint Joseph. In fact, Saint Joseph's role in God's plan for the birth of Jesus should make us pause in awe. Simple obedience on Joseph's part made him a crucial partner in Mary's yes and changed the history of humankind forever. Joseph's life offers us immense inspiration. It is encouraging to see that even an ordinary carpenter going about his daily work can be a saint through humility and obedience. If Joseph's simplicity does not impress us, we have another role that we may consider, that of the angel. In any situation requiring a vital decision or a solution to a problem, we could either be the one seeking direction like Joseph or the one providing guidance like the angel. An important lesson is that no role we play is too small or insignificant in the eyes of God, provided it involves doing His will. Fruit. Like Saint Joseph, I will be mindful to align my thoughts and actions with the Lord's will for my life.